Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to show you a walk-around startup and drive video on a 1971 Plymouth Cuda. This is a real Cuda, and it is finished in its original color, FJ6, Sassy Grass Green, with the white billboard stripes. It is a 340, 727. This beautiful car has been rotisserie restored. It is an absolute awesome car. 340 under the hood, like I said, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Just one gorgeous ride. Aluminum radiator, stock exhaust manifolds. Beautiful, beautiful car. Highly detailed engine compartment. Kind of got a little rowdy built 340 in it. Sounds great, runs great, drives great. It's got the rally wheels on it, 15-inch rally wheels on it. The paint is absolutely stunning on this car. The jams, very, very nice. Beautiful white interior. All new seat covers, carpeting. Dash pad's in great shape. Car starts right up, the air blows cold, the dash lights work. Radio works. Sorry about that. About blast me right out of here. What an awesome car. 71 Cuda. It is a real Cuda, like I said. Dual exhaust, taillights, turn signals, license plate light. Compressor kicked on, it works. Dash is in great shape. Check out the paint in them jams, just absolutely beautiful. Back seat's very nice. All the seat belts are there. Package tray, sail panels. Headliner looks great. Super tight. Visors are in great shape. We got some really awesome Mopars in right now. Got this car, I got a Challenger, I just got a Roadrunner in that's just completely awesome as well. Show you the inside of the trunk real quick. Inside the trunk is no different, just absolutely gorgeous in there. Spare tire and jack. Service manuals. Spare tires there. Jack's in the right spot. Jams are just gorgeous on the car. This whole car is just spectacular. I'll put it up on the hoist here in just a little while and we'll take some undercarriage pictures for you. Check out the body lines, the gaps. Everything's very, very nice. There's no bubbles, no blisters. I didn't see a single scrape, scratch, ding, dent, nick, chip, anything on the car. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorite Mopars, 71 Cuda. I'm sure everybody's probably says the same thing about that. We'll take it out for a spin quick. The door's shut so nice on this car too. A lot of the Challengers and Cudas and stuff that you see the doors don't open and shut nice. They just 47,892 miles, and those are believed to be the original miles on the car. Obviously it's been completely restored, but those are the miles on it. All the gauges work. Got tach, voltage gauge, temp gauge, fuel gauge. And this car is even prettier outside in the sun. Speedometer works, all the gauges, like I say, all them work. Radio, all the lights work. This is a very, very well restored car. Rear view mirrors crystal clear. All the glass in this car is in very nice shape as well. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. 563-452-2450 is the phone number here. Website is www.kinionauto.com. That's K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, specialty inventory every day. We're always listing new cars. When I get them, I try to get them listed. It's always so much fun when you get cars like this. Just a great running car, great looking car. There's just no excuses. Get out here and do a little walk around with you so you can see this beautiful ride out in the sun. Wow, check it out. 1971 Cuda. Look at this beautiful car just gleam out here in the sunshine. One gorgeous car. This car will be priced and pictured on our website yet today. Again, check it out, KinionAuto.com. Car. Got plenty of power, runs great, drives great, looks great. What more could you ask for? Beautiful Mopar. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon.